2025 Chrysler Pacifica, a sophisticated and stylish minivan that is redefining family travel. Should the Pacifica be related to someone? It will be that hip aunt that understands how to maintain the good times while making sure everyone is secure. For everything from school runs to long road excursions, the Pacifica is your go-to vehicle thanks to its perfect blend of comfort, size, and high-tech capabilities. This isn't your mom's minivan, so let's start with the design. The 2025 Pacifica distinguishes itself from boxy competitors with its sleek and contemporary design. It has a confident. The Pacifica greets you warmly the moment you walk inside, with room for up 8 passengers. The roomy interior is ideal for families of all sizes, with lots of headroom and legroom. The seats are made for comfort, allowing everyone to spread out on lengthy travels. Not to be overlooked is the adaptable stow and go system, which enables you to maximize cargo capacity by folding the seats into the floor. The Pacifica can easily manage any load, be it groceries, sporting goods, or a modest amount of luggage for a family vacation. Let's speak about technology now, as the 2025 Pacifica has a ton of technology that will keep everyone engaged and interested while traveling. The infotainment system has a large, easily navigable touchscreen, and it comes equipped with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so connecting your smartphone is a breeze. The included rear seat entertainment system will delight kids, as it has display and streaming capabilities to keep them occupied during those lengthy rides. Any family vacation almost comes with the expected question, are we there yet? Just be ready for it. The Pacifica performs admirably, offering a pleasant and seamless ride that makes every trip seem simple. While the ride quality is built to easily absorb shocks and rough areas, the engine is powerful enough to handle city driving. Furthermore, you can tackle any weather situation with confidence thanks to the optional all-wheel drive, rain, snow, or whatever else Mother Nature throws at you.